If you're working any design on the Canva app on your phone and you'd like to download those image afterwards, I'm going to show you how to download image from the Canva app. So once you're inside the Canva app, guys, on your canvas, whatever design you may have, and you're finished and you're ready to download that picture or image, in order to download that, you want to click on the icon on the upper right hand side. There's one for share and there's one for download. Now there's two options, one with the arrow down and one with the arrow up. The one with the arrow down is basically allowing you to save your design and gives you the option to share it. So you will see that it gives you the option to share between your contacts, different applications, and so much more. While if you go back, there's another one that basically allows you, there's another one that gives shows with the arrow upwards. This one is going to allow you to also share but also allow you to download the image. And if you tap on download, it's going to basically allow you to download, and all you have to do is go ahead and choose the size that you want. If you're satisfied with it, go ahead and hit the download button and you will be able to download Canva image right onto your phone. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you download the image from Canva app on your phone.